The steps for analysis of 2D epi-fluorescence images are the following. Load images as a group. Remove instrument noise. Change units to radiant efficiency. Draw a background ROI. Set it as the background for all ROIs. Draw measurement ROIs. The first step is to load the images using the browser. Next, you may need to remove instrument noise. This often appears as a ring around the image perimeter, or may appear as signal in the corners of the image. Go to the Tool palette and open the Corrections tab. Click the Adaptive Fluorescence Background Subtraction button. Click and drag the threshold bar until you have a purple mask over your animals. Confirm the calibrated unit of radiant efficiency is being used for analysis. In this example, I have a negative control animal on the left and my positive test animal on the right. Negative controls are always important for fluorescence imaging, so you know how much of the signal is coming from autofluorescent sources like the tissue or the chow. Select Average Background ROI. Place it over your negative control animal. Set this ROI as the background for all future ROIs. Select Measurement ROI and place it over your positive test animal. We strongly recommend that all ROIs are kept the same size for fluorescence analysis. Click on the Measure ROIs button and either copy and paste into your graphing program, or export the data as a CSV file which can be opened up in common graphing programs.